So we got these Halloween lights. I almost just said Christmas lights. And they would look super cute along the stairs here, but we don't have a plug. There is a plug down there, but I don't really know how I'd work them around there. So I'm gonna try and do something with these, and I'll update y'all if I figure anything out. All right, so I think this is what we're gonna settle for. I feel like we should put Halloween decorations up there to make it look better, but the plug is down here, and I tried to wrap it around like down there, but it just didn't look good. So this is what we're going with, and it'll probably look a lot better at nighttime, but yeah.
Later.
Alright, you guys, little update. It's 5 o'clock now. I haven't filmed anything since I made my smoothie. I don't know what happened. But our dog, Zoe, she just ate dinner, and so I'm about to take her for a walk, and then I'm just eating some tuna right now. Good protein, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to try and go to Wendy's later, too, because I want Wendy's. What in the name happened here, huh? What happened, Zoe? What'd you do? Also, here's what the lights look like at nighttime. My flash is on. I honestly think they're kind of cute like that. They're very orange, but that's kind of the point of them. But those are the lights at nighttime.
1 hour later.
I need the crunchy ones. The crunchy ones? Yeah, look. Do you see this? Crispy? Oh. All right, let's play guess the price. Right here. Guess the price? Yeah. How much do you think? 43. I'm gonna guess 48. What did I guess? Oh, 31. Is it? It's not bad. Dang, that's the cheapest you've ever spent here.
The following day.
Alright, y'all, so obviously it's the next day. I had oatmeal for breakfast, and then I went on a 5K walk/run with my mom. It was a little chilly out, to be honest, but once we got going and once it went later into the day, it ended up being really nice out. But right now it is currently 11:35, and I'm on my way to a car dealership, so I will see you guys in the car. Alright, y'all, it's actually later in the day now, and we are on our way to go see some fights. Alright, you guys, it is currently Sunday, the next day, and we are at the grocery store. It is still pretty early in the morning. I need some mint leaves, but I don't even know where they're at right now. Oh, they're right over here, but they don't look too good. Alright, this will have to do. So that's what's going on right now, and I will see you guys whenever I see you. We got some Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm gonna try this because I heard that this is really good and simple. Spinach, veggies. I'm gonna try this because it looks interesting, and yeah. Alright, you guys, I just got back home from the grocery store and I'm just lighting these cute little Halloween Mickey Mouse candle decoration thingies, and I'm going to end this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please go hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me, and I don't know about you. But in the meantime, I got to blast.